Hello family, let me warmly welcome you to this channel. If today happen to be your first time tuning into this channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon for latest update. Like, share and leave your comment under the comment section. As I keep on saying, your comments are very important because it helps me to know whether you understand it or not, or if you are having problem concerning my teachings, and it helps me to upgrade myself, to know your level of understanding and to know the way out so that I can teach to your satisfaction. If I teach and nobody understands, it means I am teaching in vain, and it is for your understanding so that you can practice it. That is why I'm here teaching. Without wasting much time today, our topic is about how to make someone fall in love with you. In simple words, is the love spell. That is productive love spell. Love spell that never fails. If you want your girlfriend to be in love with you, if you want your girlfriend to love you more, if you want your boyfriend to love you head over heels, to fall completely in love with you, then watch this video till the end and do whatever I am teaching here. If you practice it, you are going to get a positive result. It's no joke love remedy or love recipe. It is very simple but mighty. Yes, if there is this girl that you are targeting or you want to get, under your arms, you want her to be your lover, you can do this love spell. There is this guy you want him to be your lover, you can also practice it. If you are married and your marriage is full of conflicts, your marriage has just turned to a war zone because of lack of love, do this and there will be peace in your marriage. You are going to experience great peace in your marriage. Yes, the materials needed for this particular love spell are sage flower perfume. Sage flower perfume. You can see the picture on your screen. Even if you don't know it, you can show this picture to the spiritual item sellers. If you go to any spiritual shop, that is where they sell spiritual items, you will get this sage flower perfume. Ask them for that and they will give you. It is very affordable, very cheap. That's what I mean. If you get a sage flower perfume, get the name of the person you want to fall in love with you, either female or male. Get the name of that person. Then get a white sheet of paper and a red pen or red marker. When you have all these set of materials, this is what you are going to do. With your red pen, write the name of the person you want to fall in love with you, and then write how you want the person to fall in love with you. Like, you want the person to obey you, you want the person to do as you say, you want the person to always pay homage to you, respect you. Whatever you want the person to do for you, or whatever you want the person to do for you, you just write it there. When you are done writing the name of the person and how you want the person to love you, this is what you would do. You would just open the sage flower perfume and then you fold the paper, that sheet of paper, you fold it towards you. You fold it towards you until it becomes small. Then you put it inside the sage flower perfume. When you are done putting it inside the sage flower perfume, you close it with the cover. When I say the cover, I mean the lid. You close it, then you shake it vigorously. After shaking it, say your prayers. The one I say, you can write all the things you want from the person on the sheet of paper. If you cannot write it too, you can do that through the saying of the prayers. You say your prayers. When I say prayers, I mean your heart request. How you want the person to do to do for you, what you want the person to do for you, how you want the person to love you, to be precise, and what you want the person to do for you. You say everything. You say how, like, all the qualities you want from the person, the character, the everything that you want to see, in that person, or you want that person to do when that person is with you. You say everything with a good faith. When you are doing this particular love remedy or love spell, please do it with a good faith. You don't have to do with a swing faith. No, do it with a stable faith, stable mindset that everything is gonna work perfectly good, that you are going to yield a good result. Yes, without faith, there is nothing that you will do under this sun that will work for you. With faith, all things are possible. That is how it is. That is also the law of the nature. If you have faith in doing anything, you will get a good result. The moment your faith shakes, that can also fall apart. You understand? So when you are doing this, believe that you are going to get a good result out of that. That is it. So when you are done with the shaking, you just take the whole thing. Now you've put the name in the sage flower perfume. You take it outside and bury it under a tree. Under any tree. You can bury it under any tree. That is it. You bury it. When you are done burying it under the tree, you go back to where you were coming from, or to where you came from. Either your room, you go back. And with your faith, believe that you are going to get a good result. And within a short time, the person will be yours forever. This is a super powerful love spell. It's no joke love spell. So let me throw this one into the air. If you don't love the person, please don't do it. Because the person will fall deeply in love with you. And at the end of the day, or at the end of everything, if you stop loving the person, you make the person stranded. And that's what the nature will never forgive you. Law of karma? Law of karma, or law of the universe, says that whatever you do, when it is bouncing back to you, it bounces back to you in threefold. Which means if the person is being tormented, or because of what you've done to the person, because of you leaving the person alone without caring about the person, you're also going to experience 3 times of what the person is going through. That agony, you understand? So if you don't love the person and you are not ready to mingle with the person, you are not ready to get married to the person, please don't do it. This love spell is not for you. Wait for a simple one, someone that you can use the casual love spell to maybe hit and run. Just hit and run. You can use that one. So you can wait for yours by subscribing to the channel, so that when I put such a thing, you also get notification, and you can get access to that. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if today is your first time, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and share for me, please. Thank you very much. See you next time.